Are you looking for the best kitchen refrigerator freezer cooking room? In this video we will look at some of the best kitchen refrigerator freezer cooking room on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Kitchen Refrigerator Freezer Commercial Refrigerator Precision Cooling. Utilizing cutting-edge freezing technology, our freezer guarantees precise temperature control, preserving your integrity and taste. Frozen Temptations unveil the clear glass door, entices customers with a sneak peek of your frozen treasures, setting the stage for a delectable experience. Number 2. Commercial Mini Small Home Car Hotel Freezer. King Byron Industrial Technology Co. Limited was founded in 2025 and opened Alibaba online sales in 2021. After years of efforts, we have become a standardized enterprise integrating production, sales and research and development. Number 3. LM Refrigerated Cabinet Commercial Freezer. This commercial beverage refrigerator and cooler is equipped with an advanced compressor and a 360 degrees air circulation cooling system, ensuring rapid and uniform cooling. The 20 cm high airflow fan ensures precise airflow, accelerated cold air circulation and automatic defrosting. Number 4. Large Capacity Refrigerator Fridge Freezer. Make the most of Liebherr's 10-year extended warranty this summer. Register any Liebherr household good purchased between the 1st June and 31st of July 2025 to be eligible for your extended warranty. Proof of purchase required. For full terms and conditions please visit. Number 5. 2-door commercial uprights freezer. Input power: 230W, voltage: 220V, refrigerant R134A, capacity 510 liters, temperature range: 12 degree to plus 10 degree, temperature control type digital control, machine weight 75 kilograms, overall size: 700 x 641,950 millimeters,